Toronto, Canada. A freak storm hammers the city. Residents caught in the downpour race to get off the road. But no one is prepared for what happens next. It's an unbelievable sight as an F2 tornado rips into town. It may be a common occurrence in the heartland, but here in the Great White North, it's a once-in-a-lifetime horror show.
Tornado! Holy...
Local Adam Ganesh records the beast's destructive trek through the city.
It came out of nowhere.
Holy...
You see a tornado coming down toward us. It just doesn't happen where we live. Never, ever.
The swirling menace rips through power lines, then turns a building into a pile of rubble. The one funnel on its own is scary, but the town is about to get hit
Look at that!
with an even deadlier twist.
Over here, too!
People stop in their tracks as several satellite twisters break off from the main cell. It's a scene of apocalyptic proportions.
Tornadoes, man!
Seeing one tornado is like, oh my God, you know. But then to see other ones forming as well, you're kind of like, whoa, how big is this going to be?
Yo, that, it was fucking tough! Look at it, you got it flying there.
It was doing a lot of damage to a lot of places.
There's nothing anyone can do but take cover and wait for the storm to run its course. Finally, after what seems like an eternity, the tornado dissipates. When the sun finally appears, it sheds light on a massive swath of destruction. More than 200 homes have been destroyed by the multi-funnel monster. It will take months to rebuild after a storm that nearly wiped this unsuspecting community off the map.